Okay, what's up guys, it's your guy Shapira Sid, and guys, in today's video I want to show you the breakdown of the trade I took today, 7th October. I want to show you the breakdown of the trade. Okay, now if you can see that I went to withdraw some money. I just want to withdraw some small money with the trade that we took today. Okay, we took a trade today, so I'm going to take you straight to my VIP group and tell you how I took the trade and how everybody make money from this trade. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is my signal group, and you can see that I have about 36 active traders in this group. You can see, so this morning I posted the first signal here. This is the first signal here, you can see, and I think we closed it around here, which I think I make about 2,200 cedis. You can see on the screen 2,300 cedis from this first signal. And this particular signal was a signal that I was in a town. Okay, so I told them that, okay guys, let's do some small scalping. So we scalp first, we scalp earlier. I make about 3,000. I closed it before I came to release the new signal here. I was actually in the town, so I was just telling them that close it. I give them every information that they need to know. So this is the reason why you should join my signal group. I give information about everything, anything that you need to know. I also drop setup. Okay, I drop nice setup for you and explain what I saw in the market and those kind of things. And you can see I give them a setup here nicely. I gave them this setup on Sunday. Last week, if you go back, you can see this was yesterday. I gave them the setup yesterday. Setup, and you can see the way the setup played nicely here. Okay, it plays nicely here. Okay. And also the good signal that I released, you can see we make enough money here. We make enough money here. So guys, this is the reason why you should join my signal group. Okay, you should join my signal group, because the gold, when I released the buy on the gold, I told them, you can see here, I told them to close. The moment I told them to close, gold reverse and bim. Alright, straight went to hit. Can see what's happening here. That's the reason I have to join a signal group, because I give information every day. I give information when to enter the market, when to close, and as you know. So DM me now to join my signal group. I also have my free group for those of you who don't have any money to pay. I also have a free group that I also drop free signals. You can see this is my free group, and we have about 127 active traders here. So you can see I also give free signals here, so you can also come and join my free signal for free. I'm not going to take any money from you. See you. I'm out.